I'm a little nervous now. I just don't want to hit the table. Think I can do it?
When should we start recording? Was now?
I'm recording now.
I can't believe there's so many camera angles on this. I know.
Oh yeah, we're not missing anything.
I don't know about this now.
Don't do it. You have to.
Come on.
That's why. Yeah, I'm excited for this. So
Yeah, because you want to see me get hurt.
No.
Nobody
I
wants
don't
to
wanna
see you get hurt.
Are you sure you don't want Bob's bed laid
But
over
I
your
still
way?
wanna
I'm
do
not worried about the
funny.
fall now.
Do you have your phone in? Call me or what?
Come on.
Doesn't seem as easy as I thought it was going to be now.
Yeah.
It's just as simple as
Did Chris jump over it real easy?
Chris has long legs and high jump for a while.
I know.
And he's young.
He didn't even do it. Yeah, stop the cameras here. I'm too nervous.
We're not taping, we're just pretending.
You're just pretending?
Yeah. We're all just standing in positions.
It's not like it's
How
going to
do
be
you
on
go?
national television.
I'm worried
Unless
about
it's
that.
really funny, then I'll submit it to Tosh.0.
Oh!
That didn't count? I know it didn't count. I touched
Did you
barely.
touch it?
I barely touched. I didn't